Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin. Today, guys, I would like to tell you something that is very new and very brilliant. I think that's gonna be very helpful for Turkish learners. Today, I will make all my lessons from now on with dialogues, and by teaching you this, you will be able to learn the new vocabulary as well. I hope it's going to be a very helpful lesson. So that's why I just wrote down this title here, Learn and Speak Turkish Through Dialogs. In Turkish we say this, diyaloglarla sıfırdan Türkçe öğren. Diyaloglarla sıfırdan Türkçe öğren. That sıfırdan means from scratch, from start, from the beginning. So here it's gonna be the level of Turkish learners from beginner level to advanced level of English Turkish learners. So I will cover all dialogues that you might know in daily dialogues of Turkish learning. Then I hope it's gonna be very helpful for you. So I will just try to categorize each dialogue by their titles. So here the max I can make dialogues, 5 dialogues I can make maximum. So here today, this is the first dialogue, this is the first lesson with dialogues, and then you can see here how to say hello, hi, how are you, yes, no, please, no thanks, no thank you. So it's gonna cover these titles, and you will see the dialogues as well. Let's start with the first one, how to say hello, hi. Please do not get it like I'm repeating this lesson. This is not actually repeating the lessons. This is how I'm just trying to make way for Turkish learners as easy as possible all around the world. So let's see these examples. Here, in Turkish for hi, hello, we say merhaba, 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 merhaba. Or you may hear from Turkish speakers selam, 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 selam. If someone says to you selam, so you can say either selam in reply, or you can say aleyküm selam, aleyküm selam. This kind of Arabic Muslim style to answer back, to the greeting word aleyküm selam, aleyküm selam. Okay, so here there are two important things here which helpful for you, which is helpful. Merhaba, in informal style we just remove this H, we don't sound this H letter, so we say merhaba, merhaba, merhaba. Okay, let's repeat them all now. Merhaba, merhaba, selam, selam, aleyküm selam, aleyküm selam. Formal style, you may hear this from all people you don't know, merhaba, or if for the people you know, merhaba. Alright, so let's see here dialogue 2. How are you, what's up? So here we see these examples. Nasılsınız? This is formal style. Nasılsınız? How are you? Nasılsınız? Informal style, we say nasılsın, nasılsın. Or kind of more informal, I can say, in daily basis, from people you may hear on the street. Nasılsın, 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 nasılsın. Okay. Or you can hear ne haber, ne haber. That means what's up, ne haber. So here, formal, informal style, nasılsınız. Alright, so we all the time use is for the person that you don't feel very close in relations, so you say nasılsınız. If for the person you feel like comfortable and easy to talk to, nasılsın or nasılsın. Well, we first prefer nasılsın. After becoming kind of, how can we say, close friend, you can say nasılsın. Alright, so this is the examples. So let's repeat them all. Nasılsınız? Nasılsın? Nasılsın? Ne haber? Nasılsınız? Nasılsın? Nasılsın? Okay, yes, now let's see your dialogue 3. Yes, no, yeah, now. For example, for normal way of saying yes, evet, evet. If you say no, you say higher, higher, higher. Or this is the way that sometimes you may hear from people for, don't misunderstand me please, for when we say he means kind of very low educated people you may hear this from. So he means, that means yes, evet, okay, he. Also, I just put here dots, that means I don't know how to write this down, that's why I just pronounced this, and just trying to make the sound of it. You may hear this from Turkish people, native speakers, huh, like this. Okay, this is the sound you may hear it, like this. All right, so let's repeat them all. Evet, hayır, he, like this sound. Okay, you may hear this. All right. In this dialog 4, now we will see please. How to say please in Turkish. There are two ways that we say in Turkish. One of them is normal way, lütfen, 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 lütfen. The other one is ne olur, which is stronger request from people that you want them to do something for you or not to do something for you. So here we say ne olur. So formal lütfen or informal ne olur. Actually, either way is okay for us. Lütfen is more appreciable in daily dialogues to use them. All right. Now let's see here. Dialogue 4. No thank you, no thanks. How to say in Turkish. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. No thank you. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. Or you can say hayır, sağ ol. No thanks. Hayır, sağ ol. Hayır, sağ ol. Here, this soft G, we don't pronounce this, so as if there is only A and O together, so we pronounce like Saul, Saul, Saul. All right, now let's repeat and practice them all together. All right, so, okay, are you ready? Let's do this together. Merhaba, merhaba, selam, aleyküm selam. Let's repeat one more time. Merhaba, merhaba, selam. Aleyküm selam. Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız? Nasılsın? Nasılsınız? Nasılsın? Nasılsın? Naber? Nasılsın? Naber? Evet. Hayır. Evet. Hayır. He. So this is the sound like this. Please, lütfen, ne olur. Lütfen, ne olur. No thank you, no thanks. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. Hayır, teşekkür ederim. Hayır, sağ ol. Hayır, sağ ol. Okay, guys, this is the end of our lesson. I hope it's been very helpful and practical for you. Only thing that you can do is just listen and try to repeat them all together. You know, physically, you have to practice this all. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share lessons with people like you for the latest videos. All the time, I expect your feedback about my lessons and my teaching videos. And if any of you are interested in making a donation, you can make this donation. Doesn't matter how much you make, it's okay for me. I just would like to do more, better, and professional lessons for you all. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like our lessons. Bye for now.